This is a reef knot, and in my opinion it is the easiest way to securely attach two pieces of yarn together. And this is how you do a reef knot. And you can tell if the reef knot has been done correctly because on one side two strands of yarn will go over the loop, and on the other side two strands of yarn will go under the loop. Then tighten and reduce the size of the knot by pulling the yarn on either side. The reef knot is a widely used knot and is the best simple knot as it will not slip and is easy to untie, and is useful for tying two pieces of rope together under strain. This is reef knot after trimming the ends of redundant yarn right down to the knot. This reef knot has been used to tie together two pieces of acrylic yarn, and you can see how pulling at both ends really hard the knot is absolutely secure.